Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. Here we will present the result of our quiz analysis. But before that, let me introduce our group members. There is Nabilla, Lexsa, Fitri with relation ID number 086, Lian, Alvionita, Sari 128, Alya, Atifa, Nurrohmah 193, Melinda Dwi Harwanto 214, Muhammad Iqbal, Wildan, Irhamni 287, Gevin, Nadila, Febrianti 456, Novia, Setya, Ambarwanti 460. Okay, so for the case 1 will be delivered by Alya and Melinda. For the case 2 will be delivered by Lexsa and Ambar. For the last case will be delivered by Iqbal and Gevin. So next, let's just continue with the presentation of the result of our analysis by my colleagues.
For the first question is the implementation of an ERP system necessary for NSF and why? The answer is the implementation of an enterprise resources planning or ERP system is necessary for NSF because currently all of the company already use accounting software, but the sales division still use spreadsheet and manual stock card in the warehouse. This leads to data inconsistency, information delays, and decision-making that is not based on real-time data. ERP is able to integrate all business process is one centralized and real-time system, thus eliminating data silos and allowing management to make decisions quickly and accurately. The next question is, can an ERP system address the aforementioned issue, provide and analyze? The ERP system can solve the main problems of NSF, such as the first is use of manual system. ERP can replace spreadsheet and manual stock cards with an integrated system, so that transaction recording can be accurate and stock update automatically after sales and production transactions are recorded. The two is unmeasured promotion and discount. ERP can analyze the effectiveness of promotional programs, margin contribution, and discount in real time, so that management can evaluate and optimize marketing strategies. The third is production inefficiency. ERP provides production planning feature based on historical data and actual demand, so that planning becomes more accurate and efficient. The fourth is high logistic costs. ERP can optimize delivery routes and reduce logistic costs. And the last is excessive safety stock. With inventory management and demand forecasting, ERP helps determine the optimal safety stock, thus avoiding overstock or stock out. The next question is, what challenges might the company face when implementing an ERP system? How can this be mitigated? Key challenges may include: the first is change resistance. Employees may be reluctant to switch from the old system to ERP because they feel the work process becomes more complicated and have difficulty adapting to new technology. It is necessary to conduct adequate training, intensive socialization of benefit of ERP, and involve the implementation process. The second is large investment costs. This can be a burden if the company has never digitalized. Therefore, it can be overcome by choosing an ERP vendor according to the needs and scale of the company. The third is integration between the ERP system and the old system. Often the data in the old system is difficult to transfer to the new system, so that system audit and data cleaning are needed before migration. The fourth is business process adjustment. ERP systems that are too rigid or cannot be customized can make it difficult to adapt to needs. Therefore, it is important to choose a system that suits the characteristics of the business and involve experts and stakeholders in the implementation of the ERP system.
So the next question is, how can integration between SCM and CRM with the implemented ERP system enhance business process efficiency and effectiveness? The integration of the enterprise resource planning system with supply chain management and customer relationship management will greatly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of Nusantara snack food operation. When the enterprise resource planning system is connected with supply chain management, the entire process from raw material procurement, inventory control to product distribution to consumer hand can be controlled in real time and coordinated. This will reduce storage costs, avoid excess stock, and speed up delivery times. Meanwhile, integrated customer relationship management allows company to collect and analyze customer data such as purchase history and consumer preference so that they can develop more target marketing strategy and increase customer loyalty. With the synergy of these three systems, company can respond more quickly to change in demand and formulate business policy based on concrete data. Okay, the next question: does the current sales model of NSV support marketing enhancement? Explain why or why not. The current sales model used by Nusantara Snack Food is a combination of direct sales, the use of distributor, and the utilization of digital channel to both individual consumer and other business. This model provides flexibility in reaching a wide range of market segments. However, the system has not fully support marketing activities to the fullest due to limitation in data management and integration between channels. For example, sales data from digital marketplace are not directly linked to data from distributor, resulting in inaccurate analysis of promotional performance and marketing strategy effectiveness. Without strong system integration, it is difficult for companies to see the whole picture of market behavior. Therefore, to truly support the improvement of marketing activities, the sales model need to be strengthened with an integration system that is able to manage and analyze all data various sales channel in one consistent platform. Explain the significance of private industrial networks compared to marketplace in NSC case. Is this still relevant? Why? A private industrial network is a closed platform used by companies and their business partner in a supply chain to share real-time information such as production data, delivery schedule, and product demand. For Nusantara Snack Food, this network is very relevant, especially in the relationship with large distributors who are the main partner in product distribution. Through this network, the company can conduct joint planning, forecast demand more accurately, and coordinate stock and delivery of goods to match market needs. This reduces logistic costs, avoid overstocking, and strengthen the loyalty of business partner, while selling through marketplace remain important to reach end consumer in the digital marketplace. Private industry network provide great strategic value to the smooth and efficiency operation of company in the business to business segment. Okay, for the last question, how can the relationship between e-commerce, SGM, and CRM benefit NSV management decision making? The relationship between e-commerce, supply chain management, and customer relationship management is crucial in supporting strategic decision making by Nusantara Snack Food Management. Through e-commerce, the company can obtain real-time data on consumer behavior, sales trend, and the most in-demand product. This data then becomes an input for the customer relationship management system to develop personalized marketing strategy based on customer real needs. On the other hand, supply chain management can use the demand information to design efficiency and timely production and delivery process. If the three systems are integrated in the company resource planning system, the company's leader will have complete, accurate, and up-to-date information to make decisions. This allows Nusantara Snack Food to respond quickly to market change, improve customer satisfaction, and achieve optimal operational efficiency.
And in this presentation, I will respond to case 3, specifically focusing on point A and B. Okay, to begin with, I will explain point A, which is about reflecting on the video AI of Walmart in relation to the reference book management information system by Wildan, especially the chapter title Managing Knowledge. Okay, point A. Reflection based on Wildan. The video showcases how Walmart has integrated artificial intelligence across its business operation, from customer service and search optimization to real-time self-tracking and supply chain automation. According to Wildan, effective knowledge management follow a structured value chain, which includes five main stages: knowledge acquisition, storage, dissemination, application, and organizational support. So, the first step is knowledge acquisition. In Wilmer's case, AI technologies such as smart sensors and computer vision are used to collect real-time data from surface, warehouse, customer transaction, and even employers' inputs. This represents the process of acquiring raw data and transformation into useful information. The second step is knowledge storage. Walmart store this knowledge using centralized AI-powered system and cloud platform. The system allows them to manage both structured and unstructured data, just like Loudon described in enterprise-wide knowledge management system. Then the third step is knowledge dissemination. Have dashboard, mobile device, and integrated platform. This knowledge is shared with associate managers and system across the organization to support better decision making at all levels. The fourth step is knowledge application. This is where the real value comes in. Walmart applies inside chain from AI to automate stock replenishment, personalized shopping experience, and even prevent delay in logistics. This aligns with Loudon view that knowledge must be embedded into core business process. And finally, organizational and managerial support. So, Loudon emphasized that successful knowledge management requires not only technology but also culture, structure, and leadership. Walmart emphasized and paying people led and that power saw how they balance AI with human-centered values. So, to Mark's point out, Walmart's use AI clearly reflect the principle outlined in Loudon knowledge management framework. They turn raw data into actionable knowledge and integrate it deeply into their decision-making system. Okay, now moving on the point B, has Walmart correctly implement AI? In my opinion, yes. Walmart has implemented AI correctly, and here are the four main reasons why. The first is strategic alignment, operational integration, scalability, and ethical execution. For strategy alignment, Walmart AI projects are not just for show they directly support the company's core mission, saving people money and helping their life better. AI is used to improve logistics, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. This reflects Loudon view that technology should enhance a company's core competencies. Next, operational integration. Walmart embeds AI into daily operation like dynamic pricing, inventory automation, and predictive analysis. These are not isolated tools, they can connect to the entire value chain. This so Walmart isn't just adopting AI, they are transforming their business model profit. There's scalability and knowledge sharing. Walmart has scaled AI tools across dozens of locations. They also make insight accessible across teams, enabling everyone from start associate to executive to benefit from the same knowledge base. This aligns with larger definition of enterprise-wide system that promote company with learning. And finally, is ethical and responsible use. Walmart use AI to support not replace human workers. For example, send and could reduce check-up time, raising up associate to focus more on customer interaction. Okay, that's all from me. And the next T and T will be explained by Ambar. To Ambar, the time is yours.
Okay, the question point C is to analyze and explain whether this AI development will impact business process efficiency and how does this relate to SVM and CRM concepts. And for the answer is that AI development has a positive impact on the efficiency of business process, including at Walmart. And AI technology enables automations of various tasks that previously required time and human labor, such as stock checking, demand prediction, and customer service. In the context of supply chain management or SGM, AI can help Walmart to speed up the delivery of goods, accurately forecast customer demand, and optimize logistics. And makes the supply chain more responsive and cost effective. On the other hand, in customer relationship management or CRM, AI is used to improve customer experience, shop more intuitive product search, personalized recommendation, and responsive chatbots. And because that, AI can strengthen both business critical aspects like SGM and CRM in order to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. And the last question of guest two, which is point D, is to how might technological development increase decision making at Walmart, particularly in terms of PSS and PSS? And what type of decision like unstructured, semi-structured, or structured are most suitable as outputs of these technological advancements? And give it provide an analysis. And for the answer is AI technology powers the decision support system at Walmart, mainly through the TSS or decision support system and TSS or executive support system. TSS at Walmart uses AI to analyze sales and operational data in real time, helping manager make quick and precise daily decisions and such as rearing stock or adjusting work schedules. And in the other hand, the ESS is presents data in the form of visualization and strategic reports to help executives make the long-term decision, like expansion planning or new product launches. And the type of decision that this technological advancement are based for Ari is a semi-structured decision because even with the help of data and system, they still require human judgment. And however, AI is also very useful for structure or routine decision and provide early insight for unstructured or complex and strategic decisions. And okay, that's all the question for case 2. And for the next case, I'll give it to my friend. Thank you.
Okay, and the next study case TikTok is raised in China. And number one, why is TikTok increased in China? Describe its developer organization from there. Before explain, TikTok is crashed in China despite being developed by Chinese company ByteDance due to strategic split between TikTok and Douyin, a similar app created specifically for the domestic Chinese markets. And why is TikTok incredible in China despite its developer organization from there? Uh, TikTok is not available in China because ByteDance stepped in from Douyin, a similar app specifically made for the Chinese market. This was done so that Douyin cloud company with the Chinese government's strict regulations, including censorship and sensitive content, while TikTok has free to follow international standards. And number two is that's the difference between the TikTok application in China and other countries impact the company international business. This difference reflects Biden's strategy of tailoring products to local and global markets, Douyin follow China's norms and regulations, while TikTok is designed for international users. While effective in expanding the market, these decisions also pose challenges, such as data privacy issues that affect TikTok image and expressions in different countries.
Okay, so here I will discuss point C for case 3 about TikTok is restricted in China. So the question is what should management and organization consider when developing e-commerce in the Chinese market, considering that TikTok, despite being a social media platform, also supports e-commerce and has partnered with marketplace to facilitate consumer transaction. So here are the key things that management and organization need to consider when looking to develop an e-commerce business in China, especially through platforms such as Douyin, China's version of TikTok. So number one is compliance with government regulation and censorship. The Chinese government imposed strict controls and censorship on digital content and business activities. Douyin, as a local platform, complies with this regulation. Therefore, organizations must understand these rules and must ensure that their content complies with local regulation, including in terms of information delivery, product promotion, and consumer communication. Number two is integration of social media and e-commerce. Douyin incorporates e-commerce features directly in its app, such as Douyin Mall and live stream shopping, which make it more than just a promotion platform. Organizations need to adapt their marketing strategies to this trend, including using local influencer and interactive video content to sell products in real time. In addition, as Douyin has evolved into a highly integrated e-commerce platform, organizations should also be prepared to build a back-end infrastructure that is compatible with local payment systems, logistics, and customer service in Chinese. Number three is adaptation to broad user demographics. Unlike TikTok, which is dominated by young users, Douyin has a wider demographic reach, including user aged 50 and above. Marketing strategies should be customized for different age groups, with approach and products that suit the needs and lifestyles of each segment. Number four is partnership with local platforms. TikTok is not available in China, so foreign companies should work with local platforms such as JD.com, Tmall, or Douyin itself to access the established market and logistic infrastructure. Number five, the last one, is strong and credible digital presence. Douyin leverage advanced algorithms to display personalized ads and product recommendations, so organizations need to adopt similar technologies to improve consumer experience, understand user behavior, and drive sales conversions. On the other hand, Chinese consumers pay close attention to brand reputation and credibility, so a strong digital presence on platforms like Douyin is crucial, including building trust through quality content, positive reviews, and good after-sales service.
Well, maybe that's all the presentation from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.